Hello, this is Adrian at excelattheoffice.com, and this is how to switch off Copilot in Word, Excel and PowerPoint. Since my last video, Microsoft have now enabled the option to switch off Copilot easily in Excel and PowerPoint. I showed you how to do it in Word, but I'm going to show you how to do all three now, just as a quicker video, but see my last video for the ins and outs, or my blog at excelattheoffice.com on the uses for Copilot, the pros and cons, but let's get to it. So this is Microsoft Word. Copilot is shown as on up here, this colourful logo, and annoyingly we've got the text here inviting us to do Copilot. It eats up battery, it gets in the way, it interrupts my workflow. I'm the pilot, I don't want a Copilot. So we go to File, down the bottom here, Options, Copilot, Turn off, Enable Copilot. Click OK. Now Copilot is greyed out on Word. It won't interrupt you, it won't be annoying, it won't be that a modern day version of Clippy or Ask Jeeves. It goes away. PowerPoint, Copilot, you can see it's up here getting in the way, and the logo is in colour. Again, we go up to File, Options, Copilot. Here it's the third option, and it's the only checkbox you switch off this time. You'll need to restart the app, so save what you're doing to then reopen it and then apply the changes, and Copilot will be switched off the next time you open it. And then finally in Excel, File, down here for Options, Copilot, and again, like PowerPoint, this is the fifth option on the options in Excel. Turn off, Enable Copilot. And again, unlike Word, but like PowerPoint, it requires restarting the app, so save your work. Click OK. Next time you open things up, Copilot will be properly disabled and it won't be suggesting stuff or getting in your way. But have a look at my blog, excelattheoffice.com or ito.blog, for more on Copilot. I hope you found that helpful. I'm glad Microsoft has now switched on those capabilities, where the first time I did the video it wasn't available, so I hope that's pleasing for you. I know it's buried deep in the options, but that's the quick way to get there. And yeah, take care.